Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever been in that frustrating spot where you're staring at your chart, unsure exactly when to jump into a trade or when to get out, only to see the market whip around and leave you second guessing? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Most traders struggle with pinpointing those key entry and exit points. But today, I'm excited to walk you through a powerful indicator that can help make those decisions a whole lot clearer. Let's dive in. This indicator is essentially a smart tool that builds adaptive bands around the price based on the market's natural swing highs and lows. It solves the common problem of static support and resistance lines that don't adjust to real market movements, helping you spot dynamic zones where price might bounce, reverse, or continue trending. Traders love it because it gives a more accurate read on market structure, reducing guesswork and improving timing for trades, especially in volatile markets like Forex or crypto. Add the indicator. All right, let's get this set up on your chart. If you don't already have a TradingView account, pause the video real quick and click the link in the description below to register. It's free, super easy, and you'll get access to tons of great tools like this one. Once you're logged in, open up TradingView and load your favorite chart. Click the Indicators button at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type Swing Structure Bands, Chart Prime, select the one from Chart Prime, and click Add to Chart. Boom, it's on there. How to set up now? With the indicator added, let's customize it for optimal use. Double-click the indicator name on your chart or click the gear icon to open settings. Start with the swing length. I recommend 100 bars, shorter for lower time frames like 15-minute charts, longer for daily to catch bigger swings. Moving average type. Go with EMA for a responsive feel, but try SMA if you want something smoother. Bands. Make sure it's enabled. Done. How the indicator works. Swing detection logic. The indicator constantly scans recent candles using a look-back number you set, like 20 to 100 bars. A swing high is detected when price forms a local maximum relative to the swing look-back. A swing low is detected when price forms a local minimum relative to the swing look-back. Direction flips when price transitions from forming highs to forming lows, or vice versa. Each confirmed swing is marked on the chart, giving clear structural context. Adaptive band construction. Instead of fixed length lines, like normal moving averages, the bands start from the latest swing, high or low. The band length grows automatically as the swing continues. Longer trend equals longer band that stretches with price. In an uptrend, it mainly shows the lower band, dynamic support. In a downtrend, it shows the upper band, dynamic resistance. When the swing breaks, price violates the previous high, low. It resets and builds fresh bands from the new swing point. Volatility filtering. It adds a TR, average true range, envelopes around the main bands to measure choppiness. If volatility spikes too much, big candles or wild moves, the bands temporarily disable to avoid drawing false lines. This keeps the chart clean. Bands only appear when the market is stable enough for reliable structure. You can tweak the ATR multiplier to make it less strict and show bands more often. Reaction and signal logic. Price reacts near the bands because they act like smart support, resistance based on swings. Buy signal. Price touches or bounces off the lower band in an uptrend, often with a diamond marker or label. Sell signals appear when price crosses down from the upper swing band after sufficient stabilization. Visual structure. Clarity. Bands color code the trend. Greenish lower bands for bullish structure, reddish upper for bearish. Diamond markers or labels pop up at key swing points and reaction zones for easy spotting. How to trade with it now. How to actually trade with it. Remember, always combine this with overall trend analysis, maybe from a higher time frame. For long entries, wait for price to cross above the lower swing band, especially if it's in an uptrend confirmed by higher highs and lows. Look for that buy signal diamond or label nearby for extra confirmation. Stop loss. Place it just below the most recent swing low or the lower envelope to give some breathing room. Take profit. Target the upper swing band as your first exit, or the next resistance level pro tip. These are reaction-based signals, so they're great for pullbacks in trends rather than pure breakouts. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading tips. Links in the description for TradingView and more resources.